Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? 12. Oh, there you go. Liam, 12. Hello guys, today's video we are going to celebrate Lian's 12th birthday. It's time to eat. Dinner time. Kainan na. Best friend, I'm Jello. I'm Jello.
I like isul.
Best friend ko, no? Really?
Je veux même pas parler. Yo, je dis même. C'est fou ça.
I think I'll only take a little bit of this. Oh!
Et pas vraiment just color fur.
See? See, that's all I took.
Wow, Liam on diet now. She doesn't
Look at me! I
Lian?
have rice.
No.
Look at
Lian.
you.
She's not on
You
diet.
don't
Yes.
have rice.
Liam on diet.
Oh! Excuse me, Ma. See, I have like almost one of everything.
I can. Yeah,
You can sit here.
Oui.
You want.
Yeah.
Pourquoi je te demande
Yeah, in there.
de pousser, de faire.
Pagod din. Ito, sausawan.
Rose. First time ko kasi ate mag-ano, like yung mga intercompanies.
May sakit yung dalawang
Cheers.
ilagnan sila kaya.
Bakit tubig?
Tubig na to.
Pero yung nakakalasin.
Makakalas.
Ay, alam niyo sa
Hindi
daycare,
nakabulan.
grabe ang
Hindi table namin yan.
sampulan ng mga alaga namin. Lahat kami
Ladies
lalaki.
drink.
Sa daycare.
Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. Again, happy birthday, Lian. Many more years to come. God bless.